Right, here we go. Now, I did tag quite a few people and you might not be interested. Brandon might find it relevant. I certainly did. And it does make sense. Can Stoics or so-called philosophers be correct on things? On certain subjects like narcissism? Yeah, they can. Oh, here's Ben. Hello. How are you, Ben? I'm going to come YouTube side. I'm not sure if you've got a spanner there. Have you got a spanner? Yeah. Hold on. Let me just come YouTube side and make sure you've still got a spanner. You should have. Just wait a second. I'll be there. I mean, my laptop's why it's small. Sure, he's got a spanner. Anyway, hope you're well, Bill. Ben. Oh, he hasn't. Right. Well, I don't know why that is. Add as moderator. There. Done. Yeah. Just make a quick comment, even if it's just a full stop, Ben, so I can see that you've got your spanner. Oh, that's a different YouTube channel. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. Yeah, got it. Great. So, I did listen to that video on Stoicism. I'm not going to say I've studied the subject. I know stuff about it that I found out from reading a book on Kindle. And I'm going to look into it. It does have connections with certain other things. I'm not going to go into it now. I might do a thingy on it, or I'm going to get all my facts straight. It is very ancient. I suppose you could argue it comes from Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, those people.